London Green, and I'm going to show you how to make one clay Angry Bird. I'm going to try and make a purple bird. So you'll need some purple. If you don't have yellow, use orange instead. I haven't got this out.
Hey guys.
Hey!
No!
Okay, so next you need some black and some white. Now let's see. Take a little bit of orange. Take the purple, wiggle it around, take some out, and squeeze the eyes until they become big round eyes. Now you could put the beak here and squish the eye in. Do the same thing with the other eye. Now one more thing. Maybe take a little bit of the black out.
Who's your name? Who's your name?
Voila!
What's his name?
Now put some black for the tail. If you need a little bit more, get a little bit more black. Now, if you're done with all this, you might want to add some eyebrows. So use any color for eyebrows.
Any color?
Sorry about that. Anyways, when the eyebrows are done, attach them to your figure. Like that. Or maybe put it like that. And if you want to use any color for the stomach, use them. This and this. Now you put that on the bottom. And here's a purple bird. I'm thinking of a name like Purple. I'm a big fan of Angry Birds.
Me too.
It was the #1 game when I was in a childhood. But I made some of these yesterday. Starting with Bart Simpson. He kind of was a work in progress, but I kind of got through him. The shoes are like blue. I couldn't find light blue. Anyways, next is my bird that I created, London Bird. I'm not being selfish. I just like naming him London.
Oh yeah,
because that's one of my favorite countries, even though that's my name.
Oh yeah, and I
Where
also
the Queen lives.
And I also have Henry Bird.
Henry, it's facing the wrong way. This is what my brother's bird looks like. I didn't create him like this. This is what Henry did today. And now I'm going to present two of the pigs before I move on. A chef pig and a devil pig. Dope. Next on, I made a Sonic bird today.
And I made a red bird.
I helped him with that one. Anyways, I made a blue bird because I lost one of my Connects ones. So I built me one of them. And Henry built 3 of his own. I created this Stella bird. I don't have a Stella, so I made one of my own. I forgot to add the eyelashes.
And I have a minion.
Don't mind him. He doesn't know that much. Anyway, speaking of minions, this is mine, Bart Minion. It's Bart Simpson except a minion. Anywho, now I'll show you some of the ones and the other 2 I made today. This is Bear Bird, and this is Chicken Bird. Now I'm going to show you the eggs I made. You could tell they're eggs because of the white and the mini nest. I couldn't make a golden one. I didn't have that much yellow. You can use any kind of color to make anything you want. out of magic clay. Model magic. Sorry, I'm not that good. Here's what some of it's like. If you want to buy some clay and make anything like any of these, okay. If you want to make anything like any of these, not good with the camera. Go ahead. Anyways, before I get back to my breakfast, I'm gonna make like the puff up bubbles. Now that I think about it, I like him. Besides, I've been wanting to get one of those, except they cost too much money. But now that I have clay, I can use it. Huzzah! So shortly before my breakfast, I'm gonna show you how to make a clay bubbles bird. All I just need now is some yellow. Give me a second. Here it is. Okay, now I just need a tinge of yellow. And squeeze it. You can make the beak like this. Like a mini Pac-Man. Okay, squeeze it in like that. Seriously, what is on this chair? Sorry, my dad made 2 new chairs, but the one I'm sitting on is kind of pointy. Anyways, no. Anyways, take 2 small eyes, squeeze them together on here like that. I can't make it this big because I used some of the clay for like the purple bird. So you'll just like go with this. Now all I have to do is just the smaller hair. Anyways, I just need like a tinge of black for the back of it. Anyways, here's a puff up bubbles bird. I made it like a pumpkin a little. Just I gotta like now to squeeze him up a little. And voila. Oh, sorry, my mom needs me. I'll see you next time.